How to fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. If you are trying to log into your TikTok with Facebook account and you are having issue with it, then this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, what you need to do is check if your Facebook account is logged in or not. If your correct Facebook account is logged in and still you are having problem while opening your TikTok, then simply go to the TikTok application through App Store. Then on the searching bar, search for TikTok and make sure that no update button is available. If there is any update needed in TikTok application, then hit on the update to update your application. Once you do that, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.